now it's like our last day up here. It's been a pretty good season, sent some of my hardest routes, and today we're going up to finalize on the Fynn Cave for the season. It's kind of over. I mean, look at the weather, it's super, well, grim, but kind of cool at the same time. Kind of like when Tommy Caldwell was on the Dawn Wall and it was all shitty out. He's like, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I love this stuff. Yeah. Kind of the same way, man. It's like driving in the Twilight Zone.
Yeah.
Wow. Game face, dude. We got this shit. Fucker.
Yeah.
It'll be fun. Wow, is it starting to hail now?
Oh boy.
Awesome. Hardcore sport climbing.
Starting to hail?
A little bit. Sport climbing isn't all cush. It does get a little less than cush.
Yeah.
We go with the 1/2 inch, nice beefy fatty bolts to equip our new routes with. That's what your life's trusting right there. That rod of metal. What's up with you? Are you excited? Are you excited, Vinny?
Just doing my hair.
He's using the stove from here.
the fridge.
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
Woo! Cool, man.
Is 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 is
Battery?
When it's cold, batteries go pretty quick.
Yeah.
is
Snatch me and my friends up. Old man been through it all, blowing my M's up. Walking heavy, walking steady, born ready. Popping to the top and the top is heavy. No, I don't believe in your God. Shit got going, I'll be leaving your star. They don't take cash here, your boys charging to the game, still old from last year. They will watch our way.
Might try and steal from us.
She left me so cold.
Your real don't seem really real to us.
New year keeps a breeze.
We believe in ugly but honest.
Motherfucker, I feel poverty, your loss doesn't bother me. Nothing's really stalling me, call, I'm not just calling it closer. Monopolies revoke all your offerings, you really govern nothing that a reform. A policy can't call my king for conquering. My moxie chops of broccoli, take my falling off the list of things you're accomplishing. I'm polishing, talent without the help of technology. So awfully good, it causes some hood snobbery. All of me is given without the hint of apology. Honestly, my quality ain't rated by the quantity. No control over goes my hockey temper's not clobbering techniques. No ball, even though they get wobbly.
Yeah, season's done. It's frigid up here now, and we're kind of, Mother Nature's giving us the peace out. And it's cool. We've had a really good season up here, and I got one more that I've added, so I'm pretty happy about all that. Now we're heading home. Well-needed R&R, couch time, and chilling with the fam, and returning later. So,
Nice.